Hi everyone, welcome back once again to another vlog. Those who are following me on Instagram will already know by now that we are in Kerala. We already left Saudi Arabia. This was not a quick decision like how many of you had thought. We had plans to leave the country quite some time back and now it was the right time. Why we left, I'll let you know shortly. Nothing is confirmed by now. So for the time being, we are in Kerala and enjoying our quarantine life at home. We are definitely missing our friends in Riyadh who showered their love by bidding farewell. Our club family friends, our cousins, my very close and dear friend Jinu. I badly miss her. It was very emotional when thinking on leaving them. But definitely and hopefully would meet them soon some other day. And thanks to technology that we are connected. In my last video, I had told I would be taking my plants along with me to Kerala. I had removed all the mud and kept in water. Now placing it on kitchen towel that I had kept in 3 layers so that it's thick and the roots won't damage. That's some water to keep the roll wet. I have a lot of money plants, so not placing all in one. Placed it in a plastic bag. Same way did the rest. That's orange sapling, hoping to plant it at home. This is gardenia. Packing was not like how we used to go for vacation, it was way more than that. Hence, we had to send cargo, and you can get the details of cargo in my previous video. It was a very beautiful cold morning. Our flight was at 11:40 am, so we had to be at the airport by 7:30. We couldn't sleep well the previous night, anyway woke up by 5. Kids were still asleep. We had to leave to airport at 7. Our friends Sajitka and Anil Bhai dropped us to the airport. He is our kids' school driver who we had a very close connection with. He wasn't just a driver for them. He was like an elder brother for us. Wherever we wanted to go, we would call only him, and that was the trust we had with him. And he loved kids very much. We booked our flight in Air India, that's a part of Vande Bharat mission. There was a slight delay in the timing. We need to fill a form that we have to submit at Calicut Airport. The online portal was not connecting, so those documents I filled from the flight. And there's our flight.
I love you, Ma.
Flight was almost full. There was precautions taken that was mandatory. The passenger sitting in the middle seat has to wear the PP kit along with the face shield, and this time it was me sitting in the middle. For others, only the mask and face shield.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, धूम्रपान ना करने तक सीट बेल्ट बांधने का संकेत होने पर उसका पालन करना अनिवार्य है। सीट बेल्ट बांधने के लिए मेटल फिटिंग को बगल में डालें और इसे कसने के लिए बेल्ट के छीले 2 द्वार सामने, 2 द्वार पीछे और विंग्स के ऊपर 4 खिड़कियां। इन्हें निकाल संकेत से पहचाना जा सकता है। अपने नजदीकी द्वार को ध्यान में रखें।
Arman was permitted to play on tap only from the flight. So as soon as he put on his seatbelt, he started.
सुरक्षा को ध्यान में रखते हुए आपको सलाह दी जाती है कि अक्सर अपने हाथ धोए या सैनिटाइज।
Heights of boredom we all shared, including me and my husband. I used the sanitizing spray every now and then, and it was also announced on the flight to use it frequently. Rihan was missing his Riyadh friends. He had captured moments during farewell parties. The sky was very beautiful, and I am a sky lover. Time to land, and we could see small dots of light from the streets of Calicut.
Please dispose of your used personal protective equipment with wraparound gauze.
പ്രൊട്ടക്റ്റീവ് ഇങ്ങനെ മനസ്സിലാവണായിരുന്നു.
There hadn't been any vacation that we had to take taxi to reach home, but this time, nobody was at airport. Felt a bit weird, but that's the safest thing to be done. And there we are at our home. Ever since we left home last vacation, we are entering now. Felt really good, positive, and happy. Sad that nobody was at home, but our parents had kept everything ready before we arrived. The lights and AC was on so that we feel comfortable. My mother-in-law had made sure that the house is maintained well. Thanking them will be too much of a formality, but it's a blessing that we have them in our life. While my husband was sanitizing the luggages, I heated the food. In fact, there was a small function at my parents' house, so they had brought food from there. My mother-in-law had prepared some chicken masala for biryani, so I kept this in the fridge for the next day. It was still warm. We'll keep it after it cools down. We all had food after getting fresh. We took a good shower and was really hungry. This is mother-in-law's lemon pickle, very tasty. And upon my husband's request, this was prepared by my mom. We'll show this in my next vlog. Some sweets after dinner, jalebis and Mysore pak. These were from the store. Late night, my husband reminded me of the plants and soon I took those out. For the time being, I kept these in a steel vessel filled with water. So that's all for today. We'll be back soon with more vlogs from Kerala. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. If so, do give a thumbs up so that I know. See you with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.